most underrated AI applications out there today. I'm going to show you guys all the features that it has. You're going to be surprised. So make sure you watch the full video. Stay tuned. This is pretty much the home screen of the application. As I can see, quite a lot of features, guys. I'm talking about every type of feature that you can imagine. You can pretty much go at the top here and search for anything that you have in mind as it relates to AI editing and so forth. So I'm going to in something like cat real quick, and I'm going to see what comes up for the cat informations. So if there's any cat edit that you can turn, as you can see here, there's some edits for cat, there's some music for cats. You can always generate music, songs for cat, a lot of things, people. So let me just go back, and I can also scroll down to see what you want to edit. So you have some TikTok edits, which you can also use as well. So there's just a lot of things here, guys. I can't go through all of them, but as you can see, all you have to do is just scroll down and just look for what you want, or you can go at the top there and pretty much search for what you want. And you see also some other features here and some other edits which you can use as well. All of them are just same procedure. It's like, let's say, for example, the AI remove feature here, and it pretty much shows you what you need to do to accomplish the AI removal feature, as you can see there. So that's pretty much it for that there. And you also have the background removal. You have quite a lot of features, which I can't go through all of them, but I will go through some of the most important ones. So here, at the top here, you have the talk AI/sing. See, this pretty much feature allows you to
I am a DreamFace.
Let anything talk, or let anything speak, or let it do what you want it to say, or whatever the case is. All I got to do is just pretty much tap on the plus icon. I had to add that to this here.
Digital avatar by
Pretty much to here, where it says what the AI to say, you just put in the information here. You can either type it or a script from anything, can import it, or even record it right now.
inputting text, uploading up.
Whichever one you choose, all depends on you. You can choose a voice as well, whichever voice you want to use.
Audio or searching.
And also the effects that you want to give it as well, the animations and so forth. So the best animation is the Pro one, which is the Dream AI, Dream Avatar 1.0 HD. So that will require the Pro subscription
for content
for that one. So they have the image to video AI, it pretty much knows that. Oh, if I go in here, you will see you just upload an image and it will pretty much give you an video. And over here you have the text option. Here you can text the video. You have the maximum of 2,000 words or characters, whatever the case is. And down here you can pretty much select the model that you want to use or the animation effect. And you can see here you have the Google VO 3.1 fast option there, which I can use. And you also have Sarah as well, OpenAI Sarah as well here. So it's good to use, and you get one free text to video generation, which you can also use. You have some template options, which you can also copy as well. Let's say, for example, this one here, you can just tap on it and pretty much add 1 to 2 photos so you can get the best results. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this application. And if I go back here, you have the image generation feature, which you already know, guys. So if I tap on this, pretty much have to just enter what you want, any prompt. Let's say you want a guy on the moon, and as you can see there, that's pretty much the image that you will get. Something similar, but not the exact same thing. So very easy application. The rest of the feature is straightforward. Let's say if I click on any one of them, it will show you how to do it and pretty much what will happen when you do it. So you don't have to worry about anything. So let's say, for example, one of these down here, let's say you want one of these options, and let's tap on one of these. So all you got to do is just upload your avatar, pretty much select the voice that you want for that avatar. And if I tap on this and tap on the plus icon, you pretty much have to upload an image of something, cat, dog, whatever I want to be, people, anything. And you pretty much will get the same results for this. Same thing applies for everything all I got to do is just pretty much upload something that will give you a results for these. So very simple app to use, and it has a lot of features, guys. So I can't go through all of them, but if you have any question at all, do comment below. So at the top here where you see the pro option, this is where you pretty much go to get the pro subscription, and here you get a 3 days free trial to get a trial. They have pro features and everything. Here as well, you get a weekly subscription, and you can see the price of the weekly subscription for the pro. And as well, not just pro, you have the premium subscription, which give you 30 credits every week. And this one, which is a pro, give you 5 credits every week. But you know that's a weekly subscription, so you only get in 1 week 5 credits. So that's pretty much it for that there. And you can buy 1 for 3 year subscription here, which is pretty much that. So that's pretty much it for that there. And do make sure you log in, guys. If you don't log in, then we need to log in. So for you section, you see other things that other people have generated. You can also tap on the try, which you can also try out their option that they have used, or their animation that they have used, or the prompt that they have used to create this video. But you will not get the same exact thing. The inbox option here can see your likes and everything. Not to mention, if you go in the profile section here, you as well can upload things. So do make sure you log in. And if you're not logged in, then you need to log in now, as I said before. So I only have 10 free generating or anything at all related to the application. I only have 10 per day. So I only have 10. So do keep that in mind. And you need some of these generating options here. You may need coins, which is pretty much over here. So do keep that in mind as well. So over here it says get free star with the star icon. It's pretty much getting coins. Here is pretty much can invite somebody and get coins as well. So once person create a new account, you can get coins and so. So that's pretty much it for that there. And in the settings feature, nothing much more than you have the remove watermark option there, but it's pretty much you will get it with the pro option or the premium subscription. So very, very good app, guys, with a lot of AI features which you can use. And if I've missed anything at all, please comment below. I would gladly help you guys. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell. I'll see you guys in the next one.